Wi-Fi connection procedure. The air conditioner needs a Wi-Fi kit installed, inside which is supposed to be connected to the cloud serve through internet with a Wi-Fi router. The smartphone is to be connected to the cloud serve with Wi-Fi or data as well. Then, the users can control the air conditioner with applications through internet at anywhere and anytime. The control application is Nethome Plus. It can be downloaded from Google Play or Apple Store. The Wi-Fi kits. There are 3 stickers of QR code coming with the Wi-Fi kit. They are supposed to be pasted on the air conditioner unit where it is convenient to be scanned by the smartphone. Installation of Wi-Fi kit for high wall unit. 1. Open the panel of the unit. 2. Remove the cap of Wi-Fi kit. Insert it into the reserved Wi-Fi adapter and close the panel. This is the general connection procedure of Wi-Fi control. 1. Open the Wi-Fi control app and register a new user and log in. 2. Set the air conditioner to AP mode. 3. Connect the smartphone to the Wi-Fi generated by Wi-Fi air conditioner. This step could be ignored if your smartphone OS is Android. 4. Connect the Wi-Fi air conditioner to the Wi-Fi router that you use. 5. Control the air conditioner via the app. Step 1. Create a new user. Start the app, press Sign Up, input your email address and password, then press Registration. A confirm mail will be sent to your email. Back to the main page, input your email address and password used in your registration and sign in. Or you can log in via your social accounts of Facebook or Twitter.
Press Add Device. Then comes the page for scanning QR code or choosing appliance type.
Step 2. Set Wi-Fi air conditioner to AP mode. AP mode means the Wi-Fi kit is activated as a Wi-Fi hotspot, and it will generate a Wi-Fi signal named as net_AC_ with password 12345678. Press LED or Do Not Disturb button more than 7 times on the remote controller until the unit display AP when the unit is just electrified and in standby mode. Step 3. Make your Wi-Fi air conditioner connect to the Wi-Fi router. If you're using an Android smartphone, just scan the QR code of the Wi-Fi kit. Then the app will lead your smartphone to connect it to the Wi-Fi kit and scan the surrounding Wi-Fi signal. If you're using an iPhone, you can scan the QR code of the Wi-Fi kit. Then the app will ask you to make your iPhone connected to the Wi-Fi named as net_AC_. Quit the app and go to Setting of iPhone. Find the Wi-Fi setting and choose the Wi-Fi named as net_AC_ and input password 12345678. After the successful connection, go back to the app and press Next.
If you choose appliance type, the application will lead you to set AP mode of different kinds of appliances and to connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi appliance. Press Next, and then the application will scan surrounding Wi-Fi signal.
Choose the Wi-Fi signal that you want and input the correct password. Press Next and Waiting. During this process, the Wi-Fi kit will change to a Wi-Fi client from a Wi-Fi hotspot. AP will disappear on the high wall panel, and the blue LED will be always on the smart port of light commercial unit. So the Wi-Fi signal named as net_AC_ will disappear as well. Make sure your smartphone will connect to the same Wi-Fi signal as the air conditioner does automatically. You'd better make your smartphone forget other Wi-Fi connection and maintain the only Wi-Fi connection that is used for Wi-Fi air conditioner. When the app shows Success, the Wi-Fi air conditioner has been connected to the cloud server successfully. Note, there would be no promotion until the app shows connection failure. If you input wrong password of the Wi-Fi router during this step, you should start over from the step Set AP Mode. Control the air conditioner. 1. Start the app and sign in. 2. Choose the air conditioner added just now. Pull down the device list to refresh if the status of the air conditioner is offline until it changes to online. 3. Then you can go into the operation interface. Turn on the air conditioner first. 4. You can change the mode, temperature setting, fan speed, or active other extra functions. Special tips. If there is a power failure after you connect the air conditioner to the router, the unit will reconnect to the router by itself again automatically when the power comes back. 2. The unit will also reconnect to the router automatically if you change a new router but maintain the same SSID and password setting. 3. You have to do the connection again from step Add Advice if you change the SSID or password of the same router.